We are back at Animal Kingdom. What's up, freaks? Your pal out here, and today we are back at Animal Kingdom to go ride the rivers of Kali River Rapids and then go take a spin on Primeval Whirl over at Dino Land. And finally finish up with checking out what's up at the new Up Big Bird Adventure show. Stage show, that is. So without further ado, let's freak out.
Please stand clear of the doors.
So this is really cool. Right out front, as soon as you walk in, you can get a really cool freaky pic done up to celebrate Disney's Animal Kingdom's 20th anniversary of being open. Really cool setup. Last time me and my wife came out here was like 8 years ago when we rode Kali River Rapids together. We got so soaked we actually had to buy new clothes to accommodate us. But then again, it was November when we went. So it's kind of cold out. Hey, look, a moving tree. But have no fear, guys. We're fully waterproof. We have the waterproof GoPro kicking. Now we have, with our special case, the waterproof iPhone 6. The only thing I'm not too sure about, and slightly worried about, is the fact that my vape isn't waterproof. At least I don't think it is. We'll see what happens. Here we are at Kali River Rapids in Asia. We're gonna check it out. Kali River Rapids is right smack in between not only a great animal sanctuary right here, which I believe has monkeys running around in there, and ducks of course. And then right over here is the monkey towers with a few more monkeys. I think they're all eating though right now, so we're not gonna see much. But we have a river to take on. I hope you brought your hair dryers, because I think we're gonna need them. Not for my electronics, just actually for my hair. I mean, have you seen my hair? Gorgeous. In just a bit, that will be us. Seriously, I'm really nervous. I feel like I've been walking for about 2 days. It's a long queue line. I got the shoes. Fancy bells. Now there's stuff to look at. That's really neat. And they are not invited to the party. Ooh, unless they bring snacks. They bring snacks, they're in. Have so much different stuff. All laid out. Oh, look, the fruit again. That's a nice spread. Old bike though. And in Disney, you always must look up, because Disney likes to dress everything from head to toe. And in this case, ceiling to floor.
Just wait here for just a moment, fast pass, I'll just scan in just a moment.
No problem, sir. Right here they have a sign on the wall. It says, "Trekkers, travelers, visitors, beware the legend of the Forbidden Mountain." And if you know your animal kingdom history and geography, of course you know they're referring to Everest. No problem.
Exciting adventure.
Yet another room
They help spread a message to visitors
dressed
about preserving wild
to fit the part.
places, like a forest.
I think they need to upgrade their computers though. Gone to temple, return soon. Well, he's at church. But it's Saturday. What was that? Come again? Ah, it's probably nothing. So much detail. All riders must wear shoes. You know, they told us this 7 times. I'm wondering why. I guess we'll find out. And we are about to set sail. Looks like these folks already have. The loading dock is on a big turnstile. It basically loads you on. Really cool. So the ride really never stops, keeps flowing, locks the boats in. So here we go. And that's pretty much about it for Cali River Rapids. Oh.
Now I'm a bachelor, but for most women the hardest thing is understanding. Is that men don't have to grow up.
So I'm a little soaked.
Not
too much.
Got up to here and the thunder lightning.
Not enough. And what I think this is going to call for us to get on the spin cycle. Get dried up. Wonder where a guy, an everyday Joe like me, finds something that spins. We're heading over to Dino Land right now to hop on the Primeval Whirl. It's a ride I've never ridden before, so it'll be my first time. Oh boy. it appears that Donald's Dino Bash is still going on over in this area of the park. I gotta call Prince Charming Dev. We gotta get dancing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the info button right in the top corner. It'll bring you right to that video, along with others. Here we are, Primeval Whirl. There's a lot of back history on this ride. Partly a reason why I never really rode it. Plus I don't like spinning rides. But you know what? For the YouTube channel, I'm pretty much willing to do about anything. Hi! I've never ridden this ride before, yeah. I'm kind of scared. You ready, Josek? Yeah. All right. Josek is from Brazil, ladies and gentlemen. So we're worldwide, should I say? So that's great. You ever been on this?
No, never.
Neither have I. It's the first time for both of us. So.
Hi, how you guys doing?
Good.
Good?
Hi.
All right, go ahead and reach out and grab that lap bar, pull it all the way down so it's on your stomach.
Okay.
Fantastic. Now pull up on them so I know that they lock.
Oh, they're good.
You don't want anything under your hat? I don't want anything moving, okay?
Okay. It's tight though.
It should be okay if it's tight.
Okay.
Are
It's
you
good.
ready?
Yep.
Are you sure?
I'm ready.
Are you positive?
We're ready.
All right.
All right. That was really good. That was good. That was good, wasn't it?
What?
That was good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was. I think I'm dry from going on Cali River Rapids a few minutes ago. I was soaked. Looking pretty dry now. there's some rides that I kick myself in the butt for not riding sooner. This is one of them. This is actually very fun, but not too intense. I think I would ride this again. Actually, a couple of times. Not that bad at all. If you've ridden it, say so in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Oh! Now I think we're off to go do a Twitch live, and then we're gonna catch a show called Up, a Big Bird Adventure stage show, complete with animals and everything else like that. So stay tuned. Smash that like button if you're digging this video, of course. That way I know you want some more videos like this. And make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you won't see any more videos like this. Unless I get in your inbox, bug the living crap out of you. That is one big dinosaur. For our pit stop, we stopped off at the Thirsty River Bar. But at this bar, they have something called Dragon's Breath, which is a spicy drink. Spicy alcoholic drink. That's the best way I could describe it. You have to check it out for yourself. But this drink right here, it's got a little bit of fire to it. Hence the name, Dragon's Breath. And of course, if you follow us on all social media and everything else like that, you'll know our parent company is Alicorp Productions LLC, which happens to have a mascot that breathes the same breath as this drink. Delicious. That's a spicy meatball. Look at him, he's monkeying around up there. And here we are at Up, a Great Bird Adventure. Let's check it out. So here we are at Up, Big Bird Adventure. Used to be called Wonders of Flight stage show back in the day, but now it's converted over to more of a Disney affiliated character ship. Roosters are always changing the channel. Should be starting any minute now. I'll have to wait, but through the magical splendor of YouTube, you'll only have to wait in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi guys, if I can have everyone's attention for a moment. Zach and Russ are very excited to see everybody today, so they want to make everybody an honorary Wilderness Explorer. So you guys have to know the Wilderness Explorer's Call. I have my friend Jaden here to help me.
came to be. That's why my favorite part of each day is when the birds who live here join me in a dance to welcome you. Welcome to Unported, where adventurers meet up. Absolutely every day here leads to a new adventure. Why look now, two new friends? Let's welcome them.
My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54's Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. And who's your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Did he just say?
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Mine, you can talk. Who is Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
You talk.
A talking dog with a bird friend.
Right, Kevin, does he talk like people too?
Oh, no. The bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
She is baby birdies. Oh, yes, she does.
So, what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. A wilderness explorer's always prepared. I have a picture.
I can see that. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
That's great. Well, Kevin was just the beginning.
Hey, do you want to meet some more birds that call this place home?
I do. Wait, I need my camera. I must have left it behind. Come on, Doug.
Impressive flying by flying right through it. So you guys stay still, respect our feathered friend, and watch closely. He's pretty fast. Nice job.
Oh, gosh. Thank you all so much.
Okay, Miles, let's see if we can bring it back home, buddy. You guys stay nice and still like the other side, and here he comes.
Oh, gosh. Let's get our happy around the block on both sides. Thank you.
One more flight showcasing that awesome flying.
Wow.
How cool is that? All right. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Well, this guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
Yeah, well, ground hornbills are pretty amazing birds. They get their name because they feed on the ground, but the really neat thing is they can use that large beak with the force of sledgehammers.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Okay, your camera. No, that's his camera.
Oh, there's the camera. Don't worry. Someone come out here quick. Help me out with Cyrano.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
Well, he's not really angry, Doug.
Russell, I am so sorry about your camera. Maybe we can fix it. With all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. And not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What? Thank you, Bradley. Groucho, look at all these cool new adventures we have to meet out here today, buddy. I think first thing is first. How about a great big hello?
Hello! Groucho always makes us laugh, right?
Yeah, absolutely. The neat thing about Groucho is he learned how to mimic by listening to the family he used to live with. But along the way, he became one of the best at it I've ever heard. So let's see if he'll show off some of that really cool mimicry today. There we go. And that is Groucho.
I just think that is the sale though. But bravo! Everyone say bye-bye to Groucho!
Bye, Groucho. You all to this Andean condor.
We call her Collar.
Now, Pilar has one of the largest wingspans here, about 10 feet wide. Let's see if we can...
Very.
Not quite as accurate of a flyer yet either.
I amazes me is that she was that big when she was only a few months old.
Well, yeah, but that helps to make them the largest member of the vulture family, which is pretty important because of what these birds like to eat, which of course is what?
carrion.
Carrion.
Such things.
Yeah, so these birds, they act as nature's recyclers, keeping the world a lot cleaner of a place. So pretty...
He is just one of the many birds here that connect us.
Say hi, Doc.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they're like you, Doug. The crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall golden crown.
Birdie, fly.
I love the enthusiasm, Doug. But how about this? Would either of you two like to try to feed Frazier?
I do.
Okay, Russell, come on down. I have some of his favorite treats up here. It's in this bowl. I'm going to give that bowl over to you, and we'll see if we can't make a brand new friend.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
He sure does.
When my hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
That's funny, Russell. So the thing about that, those aren't really hairs on top of his head. You see, those are feathers. The top of his crown and even his beautiful eyelashes too. And the ones on top are shaped like corkscrews, and that's what helps them to stick up straight towards the sky and blend in with the grasses of Africa. Nice seeing you out here, Frazier. That was Frazier Crane. These birds is they are so inspiring, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
And the thing about that is not too long ago, bald eagles were placed on the endangered species list. But then through conservation efforts, all of us played a part helping their populations to recover. So I'm happy to say, the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Definitely relieved about that.
Yeah.
Wow, we can really make a difference.
You know what? We sure
Welcome,
can.
Doug, and to all of you, namaste.
Goodbye.
So that's it for this video of Florida Freaks. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I suggest that you do, because we're always having adventures like these. I think we've had our freak out. And now it's time to pass out. See you real soon.